Ever wondered if your Beam wallet and your Binance account can actually talk to each other? You've got your assets on Beam, known for its privacy features, and then you have Binance, the behemoth of crypto exchanges, where most of the trading action happens. It's a question many in the crypto space ponder. How do these two interact, if at all? Let's break it down. When we talk about working together, it can mean a few things. Are they directly integrated, like clicking a button in Beam Wallet to send funds straight to your Binance Spot wallet? Or does it mean they simply support the same cryptocurrency, allowing you to transfer funds between them manually? First things first, it's crucial to understand that Beam Wallet is primarily designed to interact with the Beam blockchain. It's a self-custody wallet, meaning you hold your private keys and have full control over your funds within the Beam ecosystem. It prioritizes privacy and confidentiality, offering features like confidential transactions and confidential assets. Binance, on the other hand, is a centralized exchange. While it offers its own Web3 wallet, its core function is to facilitate trading and provide a platform for users to buy, sell, and manage a vast array of cryptocurrencies. So, can Beam Wallet directly integrate with Binance? The short answer is no, not in the way you might seamlessly connect a MetaMask wallet to a decentralized application on Binance Smart Chain. Beam and Binance operate on different blockchain architectures. Beam is a Layer 1 blockchain with its own unique protocols, Mimblewimble and Lelantis, for privacy. Binance, while supporting many different chains, primarily operates with tokens on its own BNB chain, formerly Binance Smart Chain, and other popular networks. However, this doesn't mean you can't move your Beam tokens to and from Binance. Binance does support the Beam token for trading. This means you can deposit Beam from your Beam wallet into your Binance account, and similarly, withdraw Beam from Binance to your Beam wallet. The process is pretty standard for transferring assets between a self-custody wallet and a centralized exchange. You would initiate a withdrawal from your Beam wallet, providing your Beam deposit address from Binance. Conversely, to send Beam from Binance to your Beam wallet, you would initiate a withdrawal on Binance, inputting your Beam wallet's receiving address. It's important to remember that when your Beam tokens are on Binance, they are held by the exchange. While Binance is a reputable platform, holding assets on an exchange always carries a certain level of counterparty risk. For long-term storage, or if you prefer full control and privacy features unique to Beam, keeping your Beam in your Beam wallet is generally recommended. In essence, while there is no direct plug-and-play integration between Beam Wallet and Binance, they are perfectly compatible for transferring Beam tokens between the two platforms. You use your Beam Wallet for its native privacy features and self-custody, and Binance for its liquidity and trading opportunities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.